Whether you just bought your Can-am Ryker or adjusting your clock for daylight savings time, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your time quickly and easily. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is put the key in your Ryker. We're going to hit the power button here. We have to get rid of the annoying operating screen here, so I'm going to twist the throttle forward, get rid of that. Everything is going to be controlled by this bottom button here. Let me just get a little bit closer. I'm going to tap this until we get to what you're going to see called settings. I'm going to hold it in now. Now I'm going to tap again until we get to clock. I'm going to hold this in. You're going to see 12 and 24. One is regular time, one is military time, and you're going to see that it switches if I tap the button here. I'm going to keep mine as regular time. We're going to hold this button in. You're going to see hour. I'm going to tap until I get to the appropriate time, and I'm just going to say that it is, let's say 2:52, or let's say 2:55. I'm going to hold this in again. We're going to get to the minute. I'm going to tap. We're at 2:55. We're going to hold this in one more time. Tap. Hold it in at exit. And basically you're right back to the beginning. It's as simple as that. Hopefully you found this video helpful today. If you did, please hit that like button. And like always, thank you for watching.